How to fix SSD not recognized error in Windows 10. To fix SSD not recognized error in Windows 10, try 1. Ensure the SSD is listed in boot menu under BIOS menu. 2. Enable the IDE compatibility mode, storage option serial add a SATA configuration. 3. Launch the initialize disk option for your newly installed SSD via disk management as admin. 4. Update storage controller drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Run Windows Memory Diagnostic. 6. Assign or change drive letter using disk management.